Hey guys, today I'm going to be explaining a single-sided dead bug variation. So this core exercise, what you're going to be doing is going down to the ground. Here you can have a block. If you don't have a block or a ball or whatever, you can also use your hand and your knee as well. So like I said, I'm doing this single-sided variation. I'm going to put this block between my knee, and you can do like your hand or your elbow, whichever you'd like. You're going to crunch up. Make sure that your back is flat. There's no arch on the ground, so you can't put anything through here. Nice flat back. From here, what you're gonna do is extend one side and then come back in. Extend and come back in. So that's what you're going to do on each side, and then you can go ahead and switch. If you don't have a block, if you don't have a ball or anything to hold, what I want you to do is put your knee and your hand, you want to push them together as hard as you can. So have your knee drive this way and have your hand drive towards your knee as hard as you can. Again, get that crunch in. You're going out and coming back in. Just like so. I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions at all, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Thanks so much.